hatch out of the egg, looking terribly confused. But you remember you're a maggot. You were born on a dead monkey carcass. Swim around, and then dig into the monkey skin, where you instantly pupate into a called pupa. Chemicals melt you down in your internal organs until you fully transform into a fly. You fly out the carcass. You wanna hang out with your body, so you hang out with your bodies. Then it poop. You liquefy it with your saliva. Then you fly out. You go to a house. You enter inside the window.
Find food here, but there's a person and he's not. You burn in a candle, melting your insides, and then after that, you
Turn into us. There's nothing left at all. Internal organs, nothing. And then you get reborn into a monkey but with a beating heart. But for another episode. So bye.